Hey guys, LocsNLoadFirearms here. Again, I got another quick medical video for you guys. This video is on the rat tourniquet. This is a great everyday carry tourniquet because with the soft T and the cat T tourniquets, they may be a little too big to carry on you every day. Some people do it. Some prefer, like me, a rat tourniquet that you can just quickly roll up and put in your pocket and you're good to go. Or wrap it around your waist like I do on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram. But we're here about this. This is the rat tourniquet. The effectiveness of this tourniquet is still in question because it's still kind of new on the market. It's been known to be proven. Military and law enforcement have used this, but there have been some concerns about it with how wide it is with the cat tees and the soft tees. Their straps are about 1 inch long. This isn't. It's kind of thin. So the way you apply it, there's a certain way, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So what you want to do, I'm gonna go ahead and start from all the way from the beginning. So here it is. You already got it laced in there when you first buy it. You got this hole. You want to take the end, put it through the hole, and create a 3-finger loop. So put 3 fingers in there. Make sure your loop is big enough to fit 3 fingers in. Alright, now you got to apply it. So here you go. You wrap it around your leg or your arm with your loop. Take one end, go through the loop, ratchet it down so it's nice and tight. Pull tight. This is where the way you wrap it comes into play. You don't want to put it right on the loop. You want to right about here. Stretch it out. Wrap it till it's real tight. If you got a little bit more excess, you might want to go around depending on your size. I'm not very big, so I don't need much. And right here, this is little spot where you slide it in there, and now it stays there. It's stuck there. And now your tourniquet ain't going nowhere. It's stuck on here. I can feel it pretty good. Not gonna lie, it feels really tight. I could obviously do it tighter if I was really bleeding out and wanted to do it. But this is tight enough for demonstration. And like I was talking about, how with the straps are so thin that you're gonna have to space out your loops so that it covers about that inch that you want, like the cat T and the soft T tourniquets do. But this is a quick and simple way to put the tourniquet on, and then you just loop it off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the quick medical video. This is the rat tourniquet. I advise you guys, if you were looking to have any kind of tourniquet on you, this is a great option to go out and buy. Again, the recommended ones are soft T and cat T, but again, a tourniquet is better than no tourniquet. I'd rather have this than nothing, because even if this does not completely stop the bleeding, this will at least slow it down and buy me some time. So with that in mind, I recommend this. Also, with the cat tees, soft tees, they don't really work as well on small children, animals, or skinny people. So again, something like this has a lot more versatility to it than cat tee or whatnot. But still, great tourniquet. I'd rather you guys have this than nothing at all. But rat tourniquet, that's how you apply it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Please hit the bell notification. I'm selling shirts on Teespring, so please pick one up. On top of that, guys, please be safe. Locs and Load out.